Welcome to the Minute of Speech. This challenging word is a request from many clients and podcast viewers. Months, a 4-week period of time. To say months, be sure to say 5 sounds. Take your time and focus on each sound. Really pay attention to the ending 3-sound combination. Start by saying with your lips closed and the air moving through your nose. Add the short vowel by opening your mouth slightly. Do not say O. For put your tongue out of your mouth. Yes, out of your mouth to get ready for the TH sound. Be sure that it is touching your top teeth. Move the air through your nose. For the pull your tongue down so that it is still sticking out but not touching your teeth. The air should come out of your mouth, around and over the top of your tongue. Then pull your tongue behind your top teeth for the S. Keep the air moving out of your mouth. Months. Let's try it. Months, months, months. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Try it. People will notice the difference.